Hey, what's up, fam? Today I'm gonna show you how to make it absolutely delicious. Now, some people call it the Luther burger, then some people just say, hey, it's just a donut burger. Whatever you call it, I'm gonna show you how to get in the game. It's fair season, and I'm gonna show you how to save a little bit of money. You can make these at home. Hey, look at that right there. It looks absolutely delicious, fam. All right, fam, we going with the infamous donut burger. Now, not too many ingredients. I mean, just be honest with you, it's a burger, right? You got to season it right, and then you got those delicious Krispy Kreme donuts. But let me show you what I'm working with. Some yellow mustard. The ingredients will be in the description box below. We got some romaine lettuce. You can go with green leaf if you like. Some slicer tomatoes, red onion, got some garlic powder. My baptizing Cajun seasoning, some onion powder. I'm gonna hit it with some dill pickles, some ketchup, like I said, that mustard, right? And you can't forget the cheese. Now, that's what I'm using. That's what I'm going with. Now, the seasoning, you can interchange all these. Use the seasoning that you like. I'm gonna get you in the game with the process and show you how it's made. Hey, fam, we got this cast iron, it's sizzling, and I'm gonna link this in the description box if you want one. It's good to have this little flat top cast iron to have you in the game. So we're gonna go in with our hamburger, right? We're gonna press this down. That's my first one right there. And I'll link this in the description box too, this hamburger smasher, and you'll be in the game. So we're gonna let these go, fam. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of garlic powder. I'm gonna go in with some onion powder, and then, fam, you already know I'm gonna hit it with that baptizing Cajun seasoning. This is all around seasoning right here. It's fantastic on anything. Once they got a nice little sear, we're gonna get it. We're gonna flip it. Like so. And then we're gonna come back with our seasoning. Hit it with that garlic powder. We're gonna hit it with that onion powder. And then we're gonna hit it with that baptizing Cajun seasoning. We're gonna let these go the rest of the way. Like I said, pretty easy recipe. All you really gotta do is make sure you season your burgers up right. Damn, you in the game. Once you got your burger where you want it to be, I did flip it one more time. I'm gonna add some cheese to it. We're gonna let this cheese melt. Now, when your cheese get nice and melty, we can go ahead and take this off of that cast iron. Look at that right there. Yes, sir. Then we're gonna bring it over to our buns, which are the donuts, right? Yes, sir. So we got, you know what I'm saying, our bun, that donut, and then we're gonna put that on there. Now, I do got another piece of cheese, and what this cheese is gonna do is gonna melt because that hamburger is pretty hot, right? Now, I'm gonna top it off with my toppings. Now, I'm gonna go with some lettuce, right? I got me some tomatoes. Then I got me some red onions. Then, fam, you got your pickles. Matter of fact, I should have put the pickles on first, so I'm just gonna lift that up. Give me a couple pickles, and then lay that back down like that. Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of ketchup. Hit it with a little bit of yellow mustard. And I'm almost at the end of this mustard, but I don't let nothing go to waste, fam. And then you got that top bun, which is that other donut, and then you gotta smash that thing down, like so. And then you in the game. You got an absolutely delicious donut burger, fam. And all you got to do is give this bad boy a taste test. You got to get it in that foil, so you can press it down, right? Nice juicy burger. And we got to get us a taste test, fam.
Hey, just how I remember at the fair, the savory and the sweet, hey, got you in the game. I usually don't eat all this because I share it, but hey, this is good right here. You in the game, fam.